Hey guys, it's Josh at A-Spec, Northwest Ohio Home Inspections, and I'm on obviously on a roof today at a plumbing vent here. And one of the most common things I see on roofs is the plumbing vent boot, where the rubber seal is cracked and deteriorated. And you can see this one's pretty much it's toast, and that rubber seal keeps it from leaking here. And obviously this is going to leak here. So. But what I wanted to say is this is a pretty straightforward, easy fix. They actually sell these rubber replacements here. You can buy it wherever, your home improvement big box store. They're like $5-10. And you just take the rubber boot and you slide it over and you're done. That's it. And then, I mean, you can replace the whole boot if you want to. It's a little bit more involved, but that's just a easy fix until you get the roof replaced. When it gets to that point, and then you can just do the boot and replace it at that time. But as I mean, that's, like I said, it's an easy fix. You just buy that and slide it down over it, and it protects that and keeps it sealed up. So yeah, just wanted to show you that today. Like I said, it's a pretty common thing, and you'll see it on a lot of home inspection reports, but you know, $5-10, and if you're fairly handy, you can go ahead and fix it yourself. Again, this is Josh with A-Spec, Northwest Ohio Home Inspections, and I appreciate you watching. Thank you.